Hello student, welcome to online tutorial session. So we have know the one complement and the two's complement representation already. But today in this lecture session I will discuss about the one's complement and two's complement subtraction method. Okay, how we can subtract the two binary digit using the one's complement method and using two's complement method. So let's first start with the one's complement method. Okay, so one's complement method. So what are the rules first? Okay, so whatever number we are getting, we have to make both the number in the positive in magnitude. Okay, and the total number of beats must be same in both the cases. Okay, so I'm taking an example and I'm explaining this one step two like in this manner. So the questions it is there, that is we have to subtract 1 1 double 0 1 1 base 2 and this one 1 0 1 1 1. So as you can see, if you check the number of beats 1 2 3 4 5 6 and here 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 beats are there and here is a 6. The first step is said that you have to make the number positive and you have to equalize the number of beats over there. So what you have to do? So in case of step 1, so first I am making a number positive. So how to make a number positive? So to make a number positive, you have to put 0 value as a MSB beat and rest of the part will be same. So rest part is means 1 1 0 0 1 1. Very good. That is done. Minus, and the second is the 5 bits are there and we need to make it as also positive. So to make it a positive, I have given the 0. Okay, and I am adding over extra 0 over there. Okay, why? Because to equalize the number of bits, and then I will write all other digits, that is 1 0 1 1 1. So now my first step is over. Now what is the second step are saying? The second step is saying that is the find the ones complement of the number which is to be subtracted. Okay, so we need to subtract this number. So for that reason we have to find out the ones complement of that particular number. So step 2 is we have to find ones complement. So if we find the ones complement of this particular number, so what will become the ones complement? The zeros will be replaced by ones and ones will be replaced by 0. So as of over will be the resultant, so it becomes ones complement become what? I'm changing the ink color so that you are able to understand. That is 1 1 0 1 0 0 0. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. This is the ones complement of the second number that we need to be subtracted. And after getting the ones complement of the second number, what you have to do? We have to add it with the first number. Okay, so now let's add with the first number. Okay. It is step 3. Okay, so first number is that is 0 1 1 0 double 1. Now the ones complement value I am getting, that is 0 0 0 is 0 double 1. Okay, here is double 0 is there, so I have missed 1 0 over there. So again I am writing 0 1 1 double 0 1 1. Okay, and the lower portion I am writing, that is 0 0 0 1 0 1 1. Now we need to add this two number. So if you add this two number, so 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 1 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 1 plus 1 0 carry is 1 and carry is I have brought down this particular carry. Okay, so if there is any overflow means if there is any carry part is there. Okay, so what you have to do, that carryover part we have to add with the sum. Okay, so this one again I have to add it. Okay, so if you add this, so what resulted I am getting? I am erasing the steps to other steps. I'm placing this 1 over here, and now I'm adding. So 1 plus 1 0, again carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, here already 2 1 is there, 0 0. So now my final answer is that 1 1 1 0 0 0. So this is the answer of the ones complement. And now another ones complement is there, that maybe it sometimes may happen that there is no overflow is there. Like in this case, overflow is there. If there is no other overflow is present, that point of time how to do it? So let's explain this with another example. Okay, we will take another example to explain this kind of a sum where there is no carry is generated. Okay, so let's take the question that is given. 1 4 times 0, then 1 0 base 2 minus 1 1 1 0 0 0 base 2. So here I hope count the number of digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So number of bit is equal. Okay, so then no need to add any extra bit, but we have to make it the positive. Okay, both the numbers we have to make it positive. So for that reason, what you have to do, we have to add extra 0 bit over here, and rest of the bit will be same. That is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 base 2 minus, again we have to add the MSB bit, that is 0, to make it a positive number, and rest part is 1 1 1 1 0 0 base 2. Okay, so in this way, so don't, this is okay, this 0. Okay, maybe you are misunderstood by any other thing. It is not a 9, it is 0. Okay, so the first step is over. Now step 2 is what? We have to find out the first complement of the second number. So the first complement second number is become what? I'm taking another screen so that it is able to, you're able to understand. So this becomes 1 0 0 0 0, 4 times b 0, and then 3 times 1. So this becomes a ones complement of the second number. So what you have to do, we have to then add this number with the first number, that is 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, 0. So if you add, then I am adding and showing you up this step. Ones complement it is done. Now I am adding. Okay, ones complement of the number is 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now I am adding 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, 1 1 plus 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, so this is the addition result, and here you can see there is no carry is generated over here. If there is no carry is generated, so you have to find out the ones complement of the particular number. So ones complement of this particular answer would be what? So this would be 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, so the final answer would be 1 1 0 1 1 0. But remember, when you writing the answer, you have to represent your answer with a negative sign. So in the previously, when there is a no carry is generated, you have to find out the ones complement of the addition resulted, and you have to put negative sign, okay, before it. So this is the way you will get the result. I hope that ones complement method is clear to you. Now we are moving to the next one, that is the 2's complement subtraction. So 2's complement subtraction also follows the same rules, but here some different thing is there. We have to, in the ones complement method, we have to find out the ones complement of the number, so the second number, where in this case we will find out the 2's complement of the second number. Okay, so let's start with the question first. So I am taking the question that is 11101 base 2, and this 1001 base 2. This is the question is there, and we need to subtract. The rule is first time you count the number of beats. Here 3, 2, 4, 5, and here is 4 is there. So we need to arrange the beat over here. So we will try to make it 7-bit representation over here, including the numbers, including the 0 bit. So let's start with the 0 bit to make it a positive number. So I make this number positive, and rest of the bit like that. That is 11101 base 2 minus whatever base 2 is there. I am writing 0. I am writing first, and I need to add an extra beat over the 2 beats. We need to be adding extra. So that is with 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, base 2. So the first step is over. Now we have to do what? We have to find out the 2's complement of the number. First we will find out the 1's complement of this particular number. So if we find the 1's complement of the number, so what will be the resultant? So the result I am getting, that is 1110110. Now we have to find out the 2's complement of the number. So how to do it? If we have to add plus 1 with it, whatever 1's complement value I am getting, I have to add this one. So if you add, it will become 1110111. So this is become the 2's complement of the second number. So this number is now need to be added with the first number. Okay, and then only I am getting my desired resultant. Okay, so now I am erasing this top mode past. So the first number is 0111 011, and the 2's complement number is 111011. Now we are adding 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 1 here 1, and carry 1 is there. Okay, again 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, again 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 0 plus 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 1 1, and carry is 1. Again 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, carry 1. Again 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, and that particular carry I am brought down. If there is any carry, it is generated. So what you have to do? Okay, this particular carry that is generated, we have to just ignore it. We will not consider any carry part. Okay, so the final answer would be what? So final answer would be 110010. Okay, this is the final one. If any carry is there, then we will ignore it. Okay, so it may happen that some cases that we will not getting any carry part, that is overflow is not there. So that point of time, what you have to do? So let's take a example of that kind of a sum, so you are able to understand. Okay, okay, so I'm taking an example that is, it's a bigger one base 2 subtracted 1 5 times 1 002. So here you can see that is the number of beats over there is equal, and we need to just put 0 to make the number positive. Okay, so I'm putting 0. Okay, and now I'm adding the numbers, that is 1 4 times 0 11, and here 5 times 0 5 times 1 and 00. Okay, so this is the number. First step is over. Now we have to find out the 2's complement of the second number. To find out 2's complement of the second number, first you have to find out the 1's complement. So the 1's complement resultant would be what? 1 5 times 0 . double one. This is the ones complement, and we have to add 1 with it to get the 2's complement value. So if you add, then what is the resultant you are getting? 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1 again 0, carry 1. It is 1. And rest of the beats, okay, I'm erasing. It is not able to understand properly. So here I am putting the 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1. And here is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is the 1's complement of the second digit. And then what you have to do? We have to just add the numbers. Okay. So the first number I am getting, that is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, double 1. On this I am getting, that is 0, 0, 1, 5 times 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 and 1. Okay, now I am adding the numbers. So if you add this number, so 1 here, 1 here, here also 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1. So no carry part is generated. So what you have to do? We have to find out the 2's complement of the number. To get the 2's complement of the number, what you have to do? First you have to find out the 1's complement. So 1's complement, how to get? So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is the 1's complement of the particular number, and next we have to add plus 1. So it becomes 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this has become the 2's complement of the resultant, and this is the final answer. Okay, but what you have to do? We have to give a negative sign over it to get the final answer. So this is how we can again do the 2's complement subtraction. I hope 1's complement and 2's complement subtraction rules is clear to you. So thank you, student. I'm ending my lecture over here.